Okay, so this is about template questions. Okay, it's quite easy. First of all, you need to open up this and then just change the content. Then you must resave again to Z folder, because when you save template files, they will go back to the custom Office template folder, which is wrong. Okay, so when you have template questions, you must remember to navigate to this folder again. Okay, so first I go to File, Open. Okay, so this is the one. So usually I know D6 is here. Okay, it's very easy. But at times, if you want to save time, you can just simply click here and type in the range or the cell, which is faster. Okay, so now I go to here. They want us to change to 15, right? Okay, you can press F2 or can simply click here also can. Okay, and ensure every time you must press enter after you have typed something. Okay, and if you look at the bottom left corner, okay, this part here, this is what we call the status bar. Okay, so make sure this is always ready before you submit answer. Okay, okay, so I have already edited and I must also go to F8, right? Change to, okay, F8. Okay, change this to number. Okay, you can press F2 to edit. Press enter. Okay, so we have amended already. Then now we have to go to File and Save As. Inside the Z folder. Okay, at this point it's still correct, but you notice now if you look at this, okay, it's Z folder. Okay, when you click on Excel templates, sometimes it will save to another folder, which is inside your documents. So you just do a double check. It's always in the Z folder. Okay, so what is the name? Okay, they didn't mention about anything. Okay, we don't have to rename, so that's it. Okay, just click save. Yes, you want to replace it. Okay, so this is done. You can click answer. But for now, because I'm demonstrating, so I will not click answer. Okay, so next one, they want you to open up the template called invoice. Okay, just now I have already opened up this file, right? So I can simply do that again. Do you see that it's inside this folder? Okay, so along the way, if you are not sure the previous questions how to do it, sometimes you can observe. Can you see the answer is review here and here? Do you see that? So these are the things that we have changed in the previous questions. Okay, so now I just have to save this file as a workbook. Okay, so save as Z folder. Okay, workbook format, and then the name is called company invoices, and ensure it's inside Z folder. Click save. Okay, add a function at G6 equal today without the time. Okay, because if with time, then you have to use equal now. Okay, open and close bracket. Okay, so that you automatically updates. Okay, this is conditional formatting. So click here, type in C2 to C18, press enter. This is the range. Click conditional formatting. Okay. Okay, we do one by one. Highlight between. 20, sorry, 20 to 30, any light blue color. Okay, that's it. This is the round functions. D2, okay, equal, okay, they say round the value in C2 up to 0 decimal places, so you must use round up. C2, how many decimal? 0 decimal. Press enter. Okay, and then do a double click. So A done. Look at B now, E2. Okay, this is rank EQ. One bracket. Number in. Okay, to rank the number in C2. So C2 to be ranked. What is the reference? Okay, the reference is they use a name range called sales. So just type in sales, comma. Okay, highest to lowest means descending. Press tab. Okay. And okay, close bracket, press enter. Okay, so this one, because there is a range already, the name range, so you don't have to lock them. Okay, don't have to use a dollar sign. Now just do a double click. Okay, so this question is done. Okay, to protect only C20 to D20. So I go to everyone first, all the cells, because by default all the cells are being locked. So you must unlock them first, since they only want you to lock C20 to D20. So unlock them. Now you go to C20 to D20. Now you lock them. Then only you go and protect the worksheets. No change. Press enter, no change again. Okay, you can try out. Okay, if I click other things and when I try to press something, okay, I can do them. I can edit them. But if I were to come here, I cannot do anything. Okay. Okay, custom format. So we go to A3 to A30. Okay, so these are the ones to be use the custom format. Okay, because this is the text string, you must use double quotes. Okay, so you must include the double quotes in between the before the text string and before the text string ends. Okay, so but then they also have numbers, right? Okay, which is why I use a 0 to represent. Okay, by right, your hex also should be able to represent. Not sure how come it's not. Okay, but here I use 0 to tell them this is numbers. Okay. Okay, G3. This is nested if. If open bracket, okay, you can click on fx. There are two conditions here. Okay, one is, okay, the first condition is E3 equal K2. Okay, but because later they want us to copy down the functions, so for K2 and N2, you must lock it. So press F4 to lock it. Okay, comma. Okay, so first condition done. Second conditions, F3 greater than or equal to N2. So again, have to lock it. But this one doesn't work because for if, they only work with one conditions, which is why in front you must add another operator, which is called AND. Okay, this is conditional, the conditional logics. Okay, the operator here. Okay, now they must meet two criteria, then only they will look at what is the value. Okay, so if one of them doesn't meet the criteria that we stated here, then they will not display. Okay, so if it's correct, then what happened? Yes, otherwise, no. Then click OK. Do a double click. Okay, so sometimes if you are careless, you will forget about the F4 and also the end, and you will see a lot of no, 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 or yes, 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 yes. So you will know something is wrong. Okay, so this is done. Okay, this one is very easy. Go to View tab, then go to click this. So they'll remove the split. Okay, and they need you to unhide row 5. Okay, so you just select 4 and 5. Okay, you can either go to here or you can just do a right click also can. Okay, but I just show you from the the former way lah. Okay, unhide rows. Okay, then okay, lookup functions. So if you look at the table structures, this is obviously VLOOKUP. Okay, so go to C5 equal VLOOKUP open brackets. Okay, click on FX. Okay, so first of all, we have to look up the region. Okay, where is your table of array? This is the one from here to here, right? Okay, then must press F4 because you want to lock it. And what is the value they have to return to you? If it's East, then return us Mary Jones. North, Soren, don't know what name. Okay, so as so on and so forth, which is why you must lock it. So this is the second column that they should return us. Okay, and if you want to be particular, because names can never go wrong, what? So it has to be exact. Then you use either 0 or you can use false. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, unless if it's like a range, then you don't use this. Okay, now I do a double click. So if it's north, then it must be this person. Okay, so let's say for 10 you don't know how to do, right? Okay, you can always wait for other questions. Maybe you can see the answer here. Okay, go to J5. Okay, go to J5, which is this one. Okay, so they want you to display the first 5 characters on G5 here. Okay, first 5, that means equal left. Okay, and how many characters? 5 characters. Let's enter and do a double click. That's it. Okay, Okay, this is database functions. Okay, so what is the criteria? You are supposed to look for north regions. So your north region, you must type in north first. Okay, this is the criteria range. Okay, and which is why you see at first they ask you to enter what is the criteria first. Then only you go and do the database functions on D33. So equal, okay, they want to find out the maximums, right? D max database functions start with D, okay? And I click on FX. So where is my database? Okay, they also, okay, they didn't state it here, so you have to select yourself. Okay, so you must include the header. Okay, so what is the field? What are we trying to find? Maximum sales, right? Okay, so the sales will be this one. Okay, and then what's the criteria? The criteria range is from here to here. Then you'll get this. Okay, so that means for North region, the maximum, the highest sales is 135, which is this one. Okay, click OK now. Okay, perform a custom sort. So I go to A4 to D31, press enter. Okay, this is a custom list, so you have to create your list manually. Okay, so I go to custom sort. Okay, from here, I go to custom list. You have to type in, okay, what's the order? West, press enter, south, press enter, north, press enter, east. Click add. Okay, so this is our custom order. So they want you to sort by region of Europe. Okay, and this is the order. Now click OK. Done. Okay, and then they want you to filter only. Okay, this is filtering. So you can go to your filter. Okay, this is quite easy. Turn on filter. Okay, after. So what is the date filters? After. Okay. Okay, it's after this date. Click OK. So only how many records? 14 records. Okay, so you have to sort this. Okay, again, I use a custom sort because I need to sort a few levels. So first by city. Okay, and then, okay, A to Z correct. Okay, the second level, sales. And then, okay, largest to smallest. Okay, and now we can do a filtering. Okay, greater than 10. Okay, done. Okay, dependent. So go to D79, go to formulas, and then trace dependence. That's it. Okay, D1, they want you to hide the comments. So go to review tab. Okay, you can hide comments. Okay, display all formulas. Go to formulas tab, show formulas. That's all. Okay, click next. Okay, delete the name range. So go to Formulas tab, Name Manager. Okay, delete the year. Okay, so this is the one that we need to delete. Okay, delete. Close it. Done. Now on your B10, they want you to use formula instead. Okay, so we have to use this. Okay, to replace using formula. Okay. Okay, let me just erase. Okay, using formula. This is obviously the total of quarters, right? And press enter. Okay, done. Okay, go to B4 here. Okay, select this one, or you just do a right click also can. Remove hyperlink. Okay, and then A4 to B10. Okay, you have to copy and paste special link to Microsoft Word document. They already open up this. So let's copy first. Okay, now go to Word. Under here, then must remember because they need you to link. So you need to use paste special, paste link, Excel worksheet object. Click OK. Okay, done. Okay, but make sure it's below the line. Yeah. Okay, probably just now mine got shifted. Yeah. Okay, make sure it's below the line. Done. Okay, next. Okay, scenario manager. Go to your data tab and then go to what if analysis. Scenario manager. Okay, they need you to first create a scenario. Okay, create a scenario. So we have to click add. Okay, what worst case? Click OK. Click OK. And okay, they didn't ask you to show, right? Okay, just close it. Done. Okay, next one. Okay, you have to delete the scenario, which is called mid case. So go to scenario manager again, select this one and delete. Okay, and you can click summary and click OK. Done. Okay, data validations. So I go to B5 to B8 and then go to data tab, go to data validations. Okay, between, okay, whole number and then between, correct. Okay, 6,500 to 8,000. Okay, they need us to type in some of the input message. So we can go to input message. Okay, input message. Okay, title will be number restrictions. Input message will be whole number. Click OK. Done. Okay, collapse all the subtotals so they only show region of Europe subtotals and a grand total. Okay, so usually it should be second level. You see that? Okay, so these are the regions total. Okay, this is the grand total. Because when you click number 3, it will show everything. If you show one only, if you click on one, then they will show the grand total only. So the second one is what they want to see. Okay, so this is built-in features. Okay, whenever they say built-in, that means you have to use anything from the ribbon here. Okay, so okay, make sure this is one of the cells is selected, or probably you can select everything also can. Okay, let's say if I go to data tab, go to subtotal, you see they will pick up the entire table. Okay, so what is the change? Each change of region. So click here, change to region of Europe. And what do they want to find out? Sum. So sum is correct. Okay, by what? Sales. Okay, so click OK now. Then you have created the subtotal. Okay, done. Okay, this is a bit tricky because you must go to A7. Okay, look for the chart which start from A7. Sometimes they may say, okay, go to A40. Then make sure you go to A40 first, because on top they also insert one chart here to confuse you. Okay, so delete the data called total profit margin without editing the content. Okay, so in this case, I go to the design tab here, and then go to select data, because they don't want you to delete the raw data here, the numbers. So you just need to hide the profit margins. Okay, and click OK now. You see that it has been hidden, done. Okay, and they need you to plot the total heads. Okay, total overheads as a secondary axis. Again, we go to design tab, then go to change chart type. Okay, go to combo. Okay, secondary axis. Okay, sorry, don't need to go to combo. Okay, you just select this one and go to the, okay, select total overheads, then go to format tab, format selections, secondary axis. Okay, done. Okay, A7. Okay, this is the chart that I want. So go to design tab, and then, okay, change the CD. Okay, so just change chart type. Okay, need to change to line chart. Okay, but the thing is, they only want you to apply for the total overheads. So you cannot click directly. Okay, so what you must do is, okay, again, we select this one, which is total overhead. Okay, and then we can go to change chart type. Okay, do you see that? Total overhead, change to which one? Line. The first one, because it say line. Okay, they didn't ask you to plot as secondary axis, so don't bother. Okay, now. Okay, so the second one, minimum values for the vertical to be 0, okay, which is this one. Then the maximum is 27500. Okay, so you can click on this, then again go to Format tab, Format Selections, or simply do a double click here also can. So what is the minimum? The minimum will be 0. Okay, minimum will be 0. And what is the maximum? 27500. Okay, maximum 27500. Okay, and the major unit will be 2005. Okay, press enter, done. Okay, now different, A35. Okay, so go to A35. Okay, so this is the chart that we have to work on. Okay, for budgeted sales, which is this one, format selections, we have to fill in with pictures. Okay, fill Okay, then go to pictures, choose from file. Okay, go to your Z folder. This is the picture that they want us to use. Okay, and then okay, done. Second one, format positions. Okay, data labels, very straightforward. Okay, data labels, can click here. Then you can click the plus, data labels. Okay, outside end. Done. Okay, A35 again. Okay, apply a setting so that the vertical display unit. Okay, so scroll down first, A35. Okay, this one. Vertical axis, which is this one. They want them to be shortened. They don't want to see so many zeros. So I go to format, selections again. Change the unit to, okay, display unit to millions. Okay, millions. Okay. Okay, then second one, they want to change to budgeted overhead. Okay, for this one, you have to change to another type of charts, which is area. This is area. Click OK. Okay, but you see, right now, the other one also being changed already. Okay, so please, okay, so let me just undo first. Now, in exam, if you done anything wrongly, please make sure you click clear first. Okay, don't go and use undo. Okay, okay, so I repeat, A35, press enter. Okay, apply a setting. So this is millions. Okay, go to the design tab, then go to change chart type, combo. Okay, because only budgeted overheads. So this is the one that we need to be changed to area. This one. Okay, click OK now. Done. Okay, pivot table, change the content on C4. So this is the content that you have to change to 16. Okay, this is just a normal table because when I click here, I don't see pivot table here. But when I select this, you will see pivot table, tools, analyze, and design. Okay, so make sure you go to analyze and then click refresh. Okay, done. Okay, grouping, manually grouping. Okay, just put a select one of the cell here, do a right click, and then you can click group. Okay, so what do you want to group? Years and quarter. Okay, months you don't need, so uncheck it. Click OK now. Okay, and then filter the pivot table. Okay, so the east and west details do not show. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I think I double click it. Okay, do filtering. Okay, I can go to the data tab. Okay, let me, okay, you see, sometimes you don't see the field list because in exam, they will automatically hide for you. So please ensure you go to Analyze tab and turn on your field list, your field headers. Okay, just remember this one for exam, you must turn on this one manually. They purposely hide for you. Okay, so I want to see which one. East and west only, right? Oh, east and west do not display. Okay, so east west I have to uncheck it. Click OK. So now that means show south and north. Okay, again, built-in commands. Okay, this is copy and paste. Okay, so I go to C104 to C106. Press enter. Copy. Okay, and they want you to replace with values because here there is a formula. Okay, but they don't need a formula already. So just go to paste special, or if you know, you can click paste values straight away. Okay, paste values. So if I were to click here, I don't see any more formula. Okay, press escape. You see this is still moving. Make sure you press escape. Then again, our status bar is ready. Okay, so next one. Okay, pivot table again, but this time starting from A110. Okay, they want you to create a pivot table based on this table. Okay, so we have to select one of the cell here. Okay, then go to insert pivot table. Okay, but you have to create it at the existing worksheets. Okay, existing worksheets. Okay, which is pivot, but they want you to start at okay F110, which is this one. Okay, then click OK first. Okay, you have to drag in your city, your region. Yeah, correct. Okay, then in the row area, okay, for the row, it has to be, yeah, okay, this two is correct. Okay, it's only the quantity year, okay, quarter, yeah, quarter year 2008 is in the columns. Okay, and then the sales will be in the sum, the value. Okay, done. Okay, this one they need you to do, okay, try to shift something which is a worksheet. Okay, open the second file. First file has open up a second file. Go to Z folder again. Open up Rainbow. Okay, now this is the destination file. That means inside our Excel here, okay, they want you to copy the charting worksheets, okay, the charting worksheets from Rainbow to 2011 forecast. So I go to Rainbow first, then this charting has to be copied. So do a right click, move for copy, then copy to which one? 2001 forecast, okay? And they want you to arrange it at the end, okay, the last worksheet. So you have to ensure you shift to the end, and also must make sure you create a copy because they say copy copy. Okay. Okay. So now if you click OK, so you have so-called shifted or copied the worksheets from Rainbow to 2011.